Alright, welcome back to the pond. As you can see, we've done a bit more of our contouring, if you will, and offsetting of lines. We can see all these elevations in here. What we can do is we can actually hit this cogwheel, clean it up a little bit maybe, and let's just turn the point codes off. Try to make it just a little bit cleaner. So we put in our stone overflow, we traced in some contours. Let's look at our 3D surface. So there's our stone overflow right about in the center of the screen. Got another one up there coming out of the forebay. Here's our main pool with a stone berm that we're going to put in. We got our top of our water elevation as spec'd on the plan. Just look and see if we're missing any spots real quick. We can always add to this as we see fit. If we needed to, maybe wanted to blend a little bit more up into here with the 306 area, we could do the same thing, draw in. One thing I did want to point out, there's a couple spot elevations. And what we can do with those spot elevations is we can come into our hamburger menu, our Kogo, our create points and arcs, and we can actually just free pick those areas. So zoom in, get into the X, 306.33. So we could just hit accept, go 0.1, 306.33 is our code, 6.33. It'll create a point there for us. Now if we had a bunch of them, like we had one there, we could actually just tap there, come out, see where we had another one. We have one right there. We could make spot elevations all along this. And then hit accept. We'll leave it all the same. And we've created all those points. After looking at the detail, right, the top of that berm has a little bit of a peak that it's all 306.3. So we can still come down here, connect this line, 306.33. And same thing, we could just touch these points. And what's nice is if we get to a point, right, it's obviously a little bit of a radius. We could just tap in the center to bring it down, bring it right to there. Give it an elevation, 306.33. And do the same thing over here, just free pick in the center, connect our point, radius around. If you don't like it, we just go back. Maybe put one midway. So stays the same. There's that. Let's hit our hex. Let's just make sure. Now we have that little ridge on top. Everything looks good.